everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a glam coffee table styling ideas video. I've put together a few ideas for you so you could be inspired to decorate your coffee table and give it a glam touch. I hope you enjoy. Option 1, I went with a very blush pink and marble-like theme. I love these two combinations together, guys, and I love decorating my coffee table, which was also a DIY project with some marble contact paper. This blush pink flower box you may recognise. It was my DIY unicorn box, and I just took off the unicorn ears and eyelashes. This little gold hand was a recent purchase from Kmart Australia for just $5, and I love styling it together with my Spotlight Australia pink tray. I added some coffee table books and a dollar store Eiffel Tower, as well as this beautiful blush pink feather that I picked up from my favourite store, TK Maxx. While I was filming this day, my sweet little Bella Boo was sitting patiently in her little teepee. The teepee, guys, is a purchase from eBay, and I added the flowers and feathers. And here is my second option, guys. It's no secret that I love the colour turquoise, and it goes so beautifully with blush pink, so I like to combine them colours together. My beautiful white flowers are from my favourite store, TK Maxx, and I've placed them on top of a few coffee table books. I purchased most of these off eBay. My third combination is a Paris-like theme. There's not many glam girls out there that don't love an Eiffel Tower, and I absolutely love the designer Kate Spade, and I've placed her coffee table book here, and I love the combination of colours on the front cover. I've then added this rustic tray that I picked up from eBay and a combination of the beautiful flowers from TK Maxx as well as little cactus which is from Kmart. My Eiffel Tower was a gift from my niece who was getting rid of her Eiffel Tower collection. I spray painted it pink and combined it with the cute little radio that is from Kmart Australia. My next combination is to touch a bling girl's heart. Us glam girls, we love our bling, and it's no secret that I love to decorate and style with bling decor. Here I've taken an Eiffel Tower and I've placed it on top of a bling tray. I surrounded it with some black flowers. I then have this beautiful decorative globe as well as the 3 candle holders which I've placed decorative balls on top. All this glam decor is from my favourite store, TK Maxx. My next little vignette is to style with the beautiful colour of hot pink. Guys, this is my DIY flower box. I didn't make a video on this particular box, but I did leave a link to the video that I did do that is very similar to this if you'd like to check it out. This gorgeous pink tray is from Big W Australia, as well as the cute little unicorn. My perfume bottle is from Spotlight Australia about 2 years ago, and I've placed it on top of my coffee table books. My next little vignette, guys, is a combination of the boho and glam theme. It's no secret I also love the boho style of decorating, and I've picked up some cactuses as well as a few little glam touches and combined them together to get this look. I took a gold frame from Kmart Australia and added this cute little boho print to it. The cactuses are from TK Maxx as well as Pillow Talk. These gold glitter battery operated candles were a recent purchase from my dollar store. The gold pineapple is also from Pillow Talk. And for my final little vignette, I love to bring in some Girlboss vibes. I combined it with my Lauren Conrad book collection, as well as this sweet little bird from TK Maxx. The flowers are also from TK Maxx, and the cute little locket is from Spotlight Australia. The Lauren Conrad Beauty book was a purchase from eBay, and the beautiful Celebrate book was a gift from my absolutely gorgeous friend Betsy Ann, who also has a YouTube channel. I'll leave a link to her channel down below. And the Girlboss sign, guys, where do you think it come from? You guessed it, TK Maxx. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope I've inspired you to give a few glam touches to your coffee table this weekend. So until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.